What's going on, guys? It's Raul TV, Team R for UL. We're back again, back in the garage for the last time in 2020, in the garage that is. And our last video for 2020, Garage Mechanics, Raul TV Mechanics, is Fiat Doblo 2014, and we're going to replace the front brake pads and brake discs. Nice easy job to finish the year off. Let's do it, let's go. Right, first things first, guys, let's take the brake fluid cap off. It's there. On different cars it might be in different place. This one is right there, you can't really miss it. .4 brake fluid. Let's take that off. We've took the wheel off, okay. Obviously first things first, we took the cap off, brake fluid cap off. Now we've took the wheel off. I'm going to show you how to take the wheel off. All it is, dead simple, like I mentioned in my other brake pad replacement videos. So we take one bolt off here, one here, take them two off, take this plug off the brake sensor. Hopefully this caliper should come straight out. Right, brake caliper is off, brake pads are off. All I'm going to do now is big dogs, clamp that in, compress that back in, or if you've got a brake wind back tool, push it in with the brake wind back tool, and that's it. Right, in order to take the brake disc off, or the rotor off, we need to take that 12mm bolt kind of locate off, go around the back, take these Torx off, one here, one there, take them two off, give that disc a little hit, it should come straight out. Brake disc is totally off. That bracket is totally off. Let's get the new one and let's refit it. Alright, there's the new disc. As you can see on the disc, there's like a little protective, I won't say film, but like some oil on it. That's just to help it from rotting away in storage and things like that. So what we need to do is get some brake cleaner, spray it all over it, and basically give it a clean out. Get some clean tissue or something like that, give it a clean out, get that film off it, the oil off it. Some of the new brake discs, they have a protective layer over it. Okay, it's coated, powder coated, so you don't need to do that. This one doesn't, slightly cheaper brand, but yeah, let's do it. Right, disc is back on. I'm going to put this bracket back on. Remember the two bolts, that locator down here. I'm going to put that back on and basically fit it in reverse order. Let's get it done. Nice easy job. Let's finish it off. That's it, guys, job done. All done and dusted. Brake pads are done on this side. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, finish it off. Make sure you put the brakes up, make sure you put the fluid cap back on, top it up if you need to top up, and that's about it. Job done, finish. So that's it, that is the last video of 2020 in the garage, that is mechanics. Stay tuned for our Raul TV vlogs, that's coming up as well. But yeah, that's the last video of 2020. I hope I helped you guys out in 2020. On to 2021. Yeah, hopefully it'll be better than 2020. What an awful year this has been. Anyway, guys, all I'm going to say is Happy New Year. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV out for 2020. Let's go.